First thing that goes in the fridge, cold brew coffee. What I have mainly come to show you is what will be the studio. It's empty right now, apart from some things. Crap from the loft, wallpaper, sandpaper, and cat food. Bit weird. But yes, this is the studio space as it stands currently. It's bare, it's white, it's a featureless white cube that I will exist in for a short while. And what will follow now is getting it done, painting it. We're going to paint this wall. We're going to leave these ones are fine. And you'll get to see us setting the new studio up. Coat number 1 completed. Yeah, it looks bad. But it's coat number 1, so it will be evened out with subsequent coats. I'm going to go paint the bedroom again now. So now we take you around the back of the exit wall for LED time. Well, that was, what are we on? 2 hours of recording so far, and most of it fighting with LED strips. They look cool, but I hate them. About a week now. As you can see, the studio is practically built. Desks here, everything's here. Almost on the finishing touches of getting everything ready for the big reveal that'll be at the end of this video. Until that, this thing right here decided to corrupt itself and break, and my operating system for my computer that I will be editing this video on, well, in a words, it's utterly fucked. So this is going to take a while to fix, and I've spent most of today, a Saturday, trying to get it fixed, and I haven't. So going down to the computer shop next week, because it's beyond my ability to fix. I've had all of the hard drives out trying to fix it, and yeah, it's just not working. So on to the next bit. Oh, and full disclosure, by the way, the reason the computer died, entirely this idiot's fault for deciding to screw around with the audio drivers. So, PSA, don't screw around with your audio drivers. So 24 hours later, sit rep. It's alive. It's fixed. It took myself and my good friend James, who is better at computer than I am, a solid day to work on fixing the computer. I say fix, we didn't actually fix it. We had to do a complete reinstall of Windows, and I've now got to get everything set back up again. Editing software, all the videos. I've got a lot of computer work to do, so that's my next few days. But technically speaking, the studio is now finished, so I can give you the grand reveal. Have it, one montage and a painful number of days later. I think it totaled about 5 or 6 days worth of actual work that went into it. The studio is complete. This is the view, this is the camera. I'm talking into the main studio camera that I will be presenting to you fine folks for in future videos, at least as it stands at the moment. Things are always changing, things are always evolving. I may replace this camera one day, you never know. But welcome one and all to what is officially known as Studio J. The name of the channel, the name of the studio. It's set up, it's done. I really spent a lot of time having to get all of this right, and it has come out perfectly. Everything is good, everything is set up. I cannot wait to be able to bring you fine folks more content from this studio as time goes on, as things develop. Obviously you will see things change. Currently the wall of IKEA Ekit shelves is set up with all of the geeky, all of the nerdy stuff that I have accumulated over the years. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far of this immensely troublesome and long studio build. It has taken a very long time, but for now, thank you all for watching. If you have been enjoying my content so far, please drop a like and a subscribe if you feel like it. It really helps me grow the channel and bring you, the internet, the dear viewer, more content. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.